Good morning, science students. Today you're going to be doing an experiment in the kitchen. Equipment that you need is a stopwatch, a glass, a stirring stick or a toothpick, some baking soda, a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, a 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, and some vinegar. The experiment has the aim to find out the relationship between the amount of baking soda added to vinegar and the length of time it fizzes for. Here's the method. You're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to a teaspoon of vinegar and stir with a toothpick. So a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure that you level it off. Got to be very accurate. Add it into there. Then you're going to get 1 teaspoon, and we're always going to be using 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And you're going to add that. As soon as you add it though, you've got to start your clock. So you might need someone to help you. Ready, set, go. Starts reacting. You've got to simultaneously start stirring and listening. Clock's ticking because my timer started the clock. Once you've stirred it, I can still hear it sizzling. Still hear it sizzling. Still hear it. Stop the clock. And that was the end of the first trial. Once you've done your first one, the next trial will use 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. The next one will go on to use 3/4 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And so on until you get all the way up to 1 1/4 teaspoons of vinegar. Each time you're recording the fizzing time that it's been fizzing for. Make sure that between each of the 5 trials you clean out and dry your glass. You can stop that. Carissa?